Hello everybody. Okay, so I'm going to be placing another trade today, or another few trades. Let's see how we go. I've got my MetaTrader open, and I'm going to drag and drop the Autochartist web indicator onto the MetaTrader platform, and I click OK, and if everything goes according to plan, I should get an Autochartist window coming up in my browser in just a second. Okay, here we go. Alright, so my Autochartist window is open, and as always, the first thing I do is I reorder the screen. And instead of being ordered by symbol, instead of being ordered by age, I order it by symbol, so that all my instruments are grouped together. And of course, I check that I'm only looking for completed chart patterns, completed key levels, and approaching key levels. Those are the things that I trade. So now I basically have all the opportunities grouped together by instrument. So I'm clicking through them to see if there's any things that I like, and I'm making a note on a piece of paper next to me about the instruments that I like. So I certainly like AUJPY. There's some nice breakouts going on there, so I wrote that down on a piece of paper. AUDUSD, am I going to look at that one? Potentially a nice AUDUSD, nice AUDUSD patterns. CADJPY, a little bit confusing, up in some ways, down in other ways, so I'm not going to be trading that. Let's move on to CHF's Japanese yen. Same kind of pattern. Let's go for that. CHF JPY. Euro AUD. Only one pattern, so I don't normally trade things with only one pattern. Euro CAD, bullish on 240, bearish on 30. Not what I like to see, so I move on. Euro GBP, also confusing indicators over here, so I skip that. Euro JPY, that's quite an interesting pattern. Let's actually trade that. Euro USD, I don't normally trade a single pattern that comes up, but this happens to be an inverse head and shoulders, and I know the stats on that are very, very high, so I'm actually going to trade that. So Euro USD, GBP Swiss franc. Looks like this opportunity has come and gone, so I'm not going to let me zoom into that to show everybody what I mean by come and gone. I see the opportunity. Autochartist said it would go to 148.66. It actually has, and then it actually reversed back. So I'm going to give that one a miss. GBP Japanese yen. Confusing indicators again. I'm going to give that one. I'm going to skip that one. GBP USD. Okay, I like GBP USD because it has a lot of indications in the same direction on different time intervals. New Zealand dollar, it seems like a good resistance level, and there's, yeah, I mean, I think we can trade this. Let's give that a bash. NZD USD. Let's look at USD Canadian dollar. How are we looking? A lot of noise going on there. I think I'm going to give that a miss. USD Swiss franc, only one pattern, so I'm not going to trade that. Japanese yen and Mexican peso, I don't trade. Okay, so I have AUDJPY, AUDUSD, Swiss franc Japanese yen, Euro Japanese yen, Euro USD, Pound USD, and New Zealand dollar USD. Okay, so I've got a lot of trades to make.